It all began in a quiet orchard, where sunlight danced through the leaves and the apples hung like little red secrets. I picked the prettiest ones and just waiting to be turned into something magical. Back home, I gently laid them out, one by one, as treasure from the forest. With each peel, the apples revealed their golden hearts, and slowly, slice by slice, they began to transform, tossed with sugar, cinnamon, spice, a hint of nutmeg, salt, and just a touch of lemon. The fragrance wrapped the kitchen in a warm, familiar comfort. Add water with cornstarch. This homemade pie crust so easy, it's tender, flaky, and rich in buttery flavor. You need 230 grams unsalted cold butter, right from the fridge. Dice the butter into small pieces. Combine 2½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Combine well together. Add the diced butter to the flour mixture. Combine all together. Add just 6 tablespoons of cold ice water. Pull the dough together quickly by hand. Divide it in half and flat to form 2 equal discs. Wrap each with plastic wrap. Put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Then came the crispy pie dough, buttery, tender, and forgiving. And while Snow White's apple may have been cursed, mine turned into a golden apple galette, flaky at the edges, warm at the center. Kissed with cinnamon and just a hint of magic, it's the kind of dessert that doesn't just satisfy. It lingers like the final page of a fairy tale you never wanted to end.